Yo, good afternoon guys, we are going home now. It just looks like there is a smoke somewhere. They look so beautiful. How come they become very beautiful like this? And they are just around here. Yeah, together with this usual flower. Yeah, it's really smoky. There are a couple, they are resting on that side. A lot of swan and all those fairy, they are in there. Yeah, you don't really see the other island, huh? It's really smoky. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Anyway, it's like that. There is no horizon, something like that. Look at this, there is kookaburra. I don't know if he's going to fly. I think no. No, he didn't fly. He didn't fly. He's not afraid of me. There is maybe something like a bushfire somewhere. Yeah, just got home, almost 3 o'clock, 5 minutes. And I'm now preparing my meal. This rice coming from here, just reheating. And you know, I have this cooked salted duck egg. It's from China, and it's actually like this. If you compare this to the one in the Philippines, the one that we have in the Philippines are like a dry. The time now is at 3:20. I checked in the website of Harvey Norman if the GoPro Hero 8 is now available, and they have in stock, because you know some outlet like Newcastle, they don't have any stock. And yeah, I think this is the release, but you know, I'm not sure. I'm still not calling the salamander, but I am going there. Yeah, it's still smoky, you know. Harvey Norman here in Salamander Shopping Center, they always close at 4 o'clock. They are one of the first store to have availability of that GoPro Hero 8. Some other branches, they don't have yet. Even JB Hi-Fi, they don't have yet. Harvey Norman, I'm very excited. I hope they will give it to me. Okay, so I came from the Harvey Norman, and yeah, they don't have it yet. They said I need to come back before 5 o'clock because it is still on the way. They are still waiting for the delivery. Yeah, it's nice. So I'm going first here in Salamander Shopping Square. I don't want to eat because I eat already. I'm still full with the food that I eat in the house. The heat from the sun here in Australia is really hot, you know. But like what I'm always saying, if you are in the shaded area, it's really good. We're going to leave the bike there, and then we go inside. Yo, I have been sitting here for maybe 30 minutes already. I've been around the place already. Yeah, I still have 30 minutes to go back to Harvey Norman. I'm already tempted to get one watch. They have sale, 50% discount. But you know, I don't need watch. Maybe if I buy one, and then in the end I'm not going to use it. Wasted. Yeah, I'm still very excited. Yeah, the Harvey Norman is just on the other building. If you can read that, no, you don't. Yo, I'm very happy. Look at this. I got this camera. Yeah, sold, and I have my name on it, you know. Harvey Norman, $598. GoPro Hero 8 black. Amazing. This is the receipt. Yeah, the guy inside didn't even ask for my any ID or receipt. I just told them my name, and they gave this to me. Amazing. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use it when maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Yo, GoPro, GoPro, my camera to the world of video. Just need to lift this, the same like KFC. It's going to open like this. Whoa. And that's it. There's no more in here. Good morning guys, we are going to work now. It was 5:37 when I left the house, and my duty today is 6 o'clock. We'll be doing a breakfast service today. I am now actually using the GoPro Hero 8. The user interface is different from the GoPro Hero 7 that I usually use for vlogging. Yeah, a lot of features being put in here in this new one. Yeah, the sun is rising on that side. As you can see, the color of the clouds is really good. This is actually the very first time that I am trying recording with video this camera. There's a lady biker. Good afternoon guys. I am sure about the video quality of this camera, but I am not really sure about the audio quality. As you can tell, it is very windy this time. This camera is just the GoPro Hero 8. There is no other accessories attached to it like a microphone or anything. So with this, we can really measure the quality of the audio. Because you know, the problem with the action camera is the wind noise. Yeah, if you don't put an external audio or external microphone, the audio can be really bad. Yeah, that's why my previous camera, the GoPro Hero 7, I have the microphone attached to it. GoPro Hero 7 is already good. Yeah, most of my videos, I mean all of my videos are recorded using the GoPro Hero 7, and the quality is really good. You know, I just need to buy this GoPro Hero 8 because the button of my GoPro Hero 7 is already broken. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, the time now, I actually left the house at around 5:35, so maybe the time now is 5:37, 38. Yeah, this is how it is. Beautiful, very calm. All we can hear this time are the sound of the birds. Every morning here in Australia is cold, so wearing a sweater, a jacket is always the best thing to do. Summer, winter, yeah, whatever the season is, it is always cold in the morning. You're going to really feel the season, the temperature in the midday. Last night as was actually hot. I almost used the electric fan last night, but yeah, I just sleep without a blanket, just the plain my shirt and short. And then when I wake up this morning, I have my blanket on because it's cold. Before leaving the house this morning, I set up this camera, this GoPro Hero 8. I put the mic because yesterday when I was going home, oh, we go this way. So yeah, because yesterday when I was going home, I took a video using this camera, this GoPro Hero 8, and then yeah, I checked the footage. Yesterday was really windy. Yeah, I checked the footage and yeah, there is so much wind noise. That is why I set it up the same like setup of my GoPro Hero 7 without the case. Okay, that's it. I will see you later.